at some point I realized that really not self-disclosing was a real detriment to the therapeutic process, because what it did was that it allowed me to remain powerful. It allowed my clients to have all these unjustified notions about, my relative health and how perfect my life was, and that it made their lives that much more difficult to navigate. And so the more I became interested in really working with oppressed populations and really beginning to rethink the whole process of therapy, I thought it became essential to really look at this whole piece around self-disclosure, because I felt like what I was doing was asking clients in the context of their work to strip down to their, metaphorically, to their underwear, while I sat in the consulting room fully dressed in a parka coat with hat and scarf. That basically that the parts of myself that were unknown. And I thought, really, if for nothing more, what it did was to really, I think, to rigidify the power structure in the room, the power dynamics that I thought were counterproductive to bringing people along and helping them live fully productive lives. Also, I mean, I wanted to disabuse this notion that somehow, that because I'm a therapist, that I've figured it all out, that I have the perfectly perfect life, and that my clients' lives were awful because somehow they couldn't achieve what I'd achieved. And in fact, and that was a myth that was fortified and reinforced by me withholding bits and pieces of myself within the therapeutic relationship.